One of the hottest new trends in decorating is using the art of feng shui, the ancient Chinese art which says that where you put something, where you put items in a room affects your physical and spiritual well-being. Joining us today, the author of Feng Shui for Dummies, David Kennedy, is with us. David, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Let's start at the beginning here. What exactly is Feng Shui?
Feng Shui is the idea that everything in the environment is affecting you. Your colors, lights, the placement of objects are all having an impact on your life.
How does one get started using Feng Shui as a positive force in their lives?
Well, it's very simple. You can begin by simply clearing up the amount of clutter in your life, and you feel that things will run more smoothly for you.
And before we get too involved in the actual mechanics of this, you're here to tell us that it's obviously in Asia, this is a phenomenon that's countrywide and area-wide, but corporate America is using this now. This is not something just for crackpots from way overseas. This is something incorporated into our lifestyle in America, too.
That's right. Many Fortune 500 companies and even smaller businesses are incorporating this and finding greater employee productivity and also improvements in the bottom line.
And just touching on a couple of points from your book, you talk about the importance of the Feng Shui octagon. What is that?
That's a map that you can overlay on your floor plan. An octagon has 8 sides, and with the center is 9. So you find there's 9 different areas of life that you can map. So if you want to improve your wealth, for instance, you'd go to the back left, according to the front door, and you'd check that area out and see what you could change.
You talk about also the Feng Shui Cure Toolbox.
Exactly. There's some very simple, easy things you can put in an environment to change the energy. For example, if you want more life energy, you could put in plants because those are living. If you want to expand a space and feel more comfort and ease, you could put mirrors in.
This worked for you. You really didn't know much about this. You tried it, and it really changed your life.
Exactly. I was working in a job I didn't really like very much, and I felt I needed a raise, and so I made some changes in my home. And a couple of months later, I did get a better job with 25% more income, and so I started looking more seriously at it.
In your book, you talk about the power of the 5 elements.
Yes, the Chinese see 5 different elements which impact our life. One is water. There's also the earth, the fire, metal, and wood. And so when all of these are in balance in our life, things feel very comfortable and balanced.
You stress the importance of entryways, especially your front door.
Exactly. The entryway is where the house is fed, so to speak, kind of like the mouth on the human body.
I have to ask you, how are we doing feng shui-wise? If we can kind of widen out to our space here, are we on the right track or are we hopelessly lost?
The plants help a lot.
The plants help a lot, okay.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, we're on the right track here. If you would like to meet David, you can do that. He is going to be at the Barnes & Noble in Racine, February 8th. That is this Thursday night at 7 o'clock to tell you more about the art of feng shui. It has worked for him. It is working for corporate America. It could work for you. David Daniel Kennedy, author of Feng Shui for Dummies, thanks much for talking with us. Yes, there's our plant right there. We're on the right track. David, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.